Cinderella turned into a princess? Great! But princesses get stressed out too. That's life. Hey, what's wrong with you? Sit somewhere else. You are like pigs on my bird island. Rosie gets mad just like Red from the movie. She knows how to deal with her enemies. Wrap a tennis ball in light clay. Shape a yellow bird from the movie Angry Birds. Make a beak out of orange clay. Trim a feather and attach it as a crest and a tail. Add details with acrylic paint. Make eyebrows out of foam paper strips. Attach a yellow light clay beak to another ball. Create a red bird using acrylic paints. Attach black foam paper eyebrows and a red feather to be a crest. Use a piece of a black feather as a tail. Make a black bird the same way. A slingshot and Angry Birds! Let's see how accurate I am! Aim! Fire! Rosie takes control over her territory. There are no more pigs on her couch island. Meet Meg, our office fairy. She can fix everything and help everyone. But who will help Meg? She needs a special stress reliever for fairies right now. This is a sparkly ball from Tinkerbell. Add baking soda to slime glue. Pour in contact lens solution. Mix thoroughly. Knead white slime. Add different shades of gold glitter. Put the slime into a plastic sphere. Wrap it in green felt. Tie the bag with twine. This slime with gold fairy dust quickly gets rid of any kind of stress. I'm so calm. This slime is magical. A job interview is so stressful. Show us what you can do. Oh, watch my fingers. Okay, I see. Next. Good afternoon. I can hypnotize people with my eyes. That's enough. Phew! What should we do now? Don't have such a harsh attitude towards life. Where are grubs from the Lion King? Cut 2 leaf halves out of green foam paper. Glue them together. Score vines. Fill bug-shaped containers with small things. Put in a chain, paper clips, and beads. Wipe the design off the containers and color them with acrylic paints. Wrap a tube with seed beads in light clay. Shape a grub. Add rings on the grub and make shadows with acrylic paint. Put the bugs on the leaf. Our noisy bugs relieve stress just as well as castanets. Hakuna Matata! And all your worries go away! Is your brush broken? Let's try an old method from Little Mermaid. Brush your hair with a fork. Oh no, it's not working. I need to calm down right now. Flounder, where are you? Take gold sequin fabric with a piece of yellow spandex. Trace a printed picture of Flounder on it. Cut out 2 pieces with some extra around the edges. Hot glue them together. Turn it right side out. Fill it with synthetic stuffing. Glue the hole shut. Cut a tail and fins out of blue foam paper. Color the details with acrylic paint. Attach them to the fish. Add an eye. Flounder, my soft and glittery friend! You are a great stress reliever. Everyone who broke a fork in their hair needs a fishy friend like this. Hey, come with me. We need to return the heart of Te Fiti. No? Then say hello to my baseball bat. Although Moana's coconut looks way calmer. Hot glue the hole in an empty coconut shell. Put in foam rubber around the side so it looks like coconut flesh. Trim the edge of the foam rubber to fit the shell. Hot glue it down. Cover the bottom. Mix 2 spoons of clear glue with 3 spoons of boric acid. Add a drop of food coloring and borax. Put in 3½ ounces of Chinchilla bath sand. Mix it well. Put the kinetic sand into the coconut. Cut flower petals out of pink foam paper. Hot glue a flower together. Add details with acrylic paint. Attach the flower to the coconut. Ooh, this sand is so satisfying. You know what? I can do everything myself. Bye, friend! There's a newbie in our yoga class. The whole thing is a disaster. How am I supposed to reach Zen? You can use your Aladdin yoga mat. Sketch on a big sheet of yellow foam rubber so it looks like the magic carpet from Aladdin. Cut the pattern details out of a printed picture. Trace them on the foam paper. Define the pattern with a permanent marker. Hot glue a decorative cord around the edge. Attach tassels to the corners. I can finally relax on my magic carpet. Now that's Zen. I can show you the world, and it's very, very calm. My bag! Help me, cowboy! Well, the only person you can rely on in this world is yourself. Little Bo Peep will have to take her walking stick with her next time she goes for a walk. Cover the end of a plastic tube with hot glue. Put in 3 types of blue glitter. Mix them. Pour glycerin inside the tube and glue the other end shut. Make the top of the walking stick out of polymer clay. Bake it following clay package instructions and hot glue it to the tube. Coat it with acrylic polish. Sprinkle it with glitter and secure it with spray polish. Now thieves won't stand a chance. My walking stick will help me get my bag back and get rid of my stress. It's so hot outside, but I have AC at home to save me. Do I need to go to a meeting? No! Let's get ready to fight the heat. Run before the sun gets you! What? The meeting is canceled? I almost melted for nothing! Phew! Squishy Olaf, help me! Hot glue 2 beauty blenders to each other. Trim the top of the upper piece. Color it with white latex paint. Paint Olaf's face. Add buttons. Attach strips of faux leather to the head as bangs. Olaf hates hot weather too. It calms me down. Thanks, buddy! Our friends' emotions are just like in the movie Inside Out. If you are happiness, it's not easy to live with anger and disgust. But a happy Orbeez stress reliever will help. Soak yellow and blue Orbeez in hot water for 4 hours. Take the cap off of a soap bubble bottle and cut off the stick. Cover the cap with light clay. Shape a head. Shape a nose. Press in hollows for eyes. Create a face using acrylic paint. Make a hairdo out of blue light clay. Glue foam paper to make a skirt. Color the top and the hands with acrylic paint. Attach decorative tape as a belt. Put the Orbeez into the soap bubble bottle. Screw the cap on. These fun Orbeez will definitely make everyone happy. Anger calms down. Fear gets braver. Sadness will have fun, and disgust will start giving hugs. What a great stress reliever! Did you like our movie-inspired stress relievers? Let us know in the comments which cartoon stress-relieving toy you'd choose for yourself. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new cartoon ideas from Troom Troom.